Before we install anything, we need to talk about how you will actually run ComfyUI. There is more than one way to use ComfyUI, and the right choice depends on your system and your expectations. Let's go to the official ComfyUI website to see the available options. The official website is comfy.org. If we go to the Products section, you can see that there are two main options, ComfyUI Cloud and Local ComfyUI. ComfyUI Cloud runs online on their servers, and it is a paid service. This option can be useful if your computer is too old or not powerful enough to run AI models locally. Local ComfyUI is free and runs directly on your own computer, assuming you have a reasonably capable system. This is the option we will focus on in this course. So let's click on Local ComfyUI. Here you can see three main installation options: download for Windows, for macOS, and install from GitHub. All of these options install ComfyUI, but there are important differences between them. In this course, I will focus on Windows operating system using the portable version of ComfyUI. All the workflows, tools, and installers I show are tested on Windows using an NVIDIA graphics card. On AMD graphics cards and on macOS, performance is usually slower, and some features or custom nodes may not work exactly the same way. So if you are using Windows with an NVIDIA card, it will be much easier to follow this course step by step as I show it. Because there are many different AI models, hardware requirements can vary a lot. Some models are small and can run on a graphics card with 6 to 8 gigabytes of VRAM. Other models are much larger and may require more than 24 gigabytes of VRAM. For this first episode, I tested the workflows on two different systems. One system uses an RTX 2060 with 6 gigabytes of VRAM and 64 gigabytes of system RAM. The second system uses an RTX 4090 with 24 gigabytes of VRAM and 128 gigabytes of system RAM. For the workflows in this episode, a graphics card with 6 to 8 gigabytes of VRAM should be enough to follow along. In later episode, we will explore newer and larger models that may require more powerful hardware. Now let's talk about which version of ComfyUI you should install. As I mentioned earlier, I am using the portable version of ComfyUI. If we click on Install from GitHub, we are taken to the official ComfyUI GitHub page. Here you can find detailed installation instructions, but they require more manual steps and setup. Over the past year, I have been using a portable version of ComfyUI that includes additional tools to make the installation process much easier. This installer installs the original ComfyUI, but it also adds helpful tools so you can get up and running much faster. This installer is called ComfyUI Easy Install. You can find it on this GitHub page. You can find the creator on our Discord community under username Ivo. Thank Ivo for this installer. This entire course is built around this version of ComfyUI. You can still use ComfyUI Desktop or ComfyUI Cloud, but some things may look different or behave differently compared to what you see in this course. If you want the exact same setup that I use and the easiest way to follow along, I recommend using the same version.